I'm back in Jen Madiscarting Mama. That is Saturday today. It's almost 9 o'clock. I wake up in 6 o'clock dahil paano kong pupunta sa grocery early para less yung traffic and then less yung maglinya. So, the weather for today is almost -6 temperature. It's cold outside. May ice siya sa labas, yung neighbor namin. And then eat tayo ng breakfast. Breakfast is for today is I have apple, avocado, pears, and then nag-squeeze akong orange juice. And then minixer ko. That is healthy breakfast for today. And then ready na ako sa pagpunta sa grocery. Kain muna lang tayo muna ng breakfast. And then mayroon tayong 1 cup of coffee. Hindi mawala yung coffee natin dahil talagang kakain tayo. Uminom tayo ng kape para pagising ng umaga. Lalo ng malamig sa labas. So, mag-eating time tayo and then see you later to everyone. So, kain muna tayo ng breakfast. Ito yung breakfast natin, guys. It's smoothie. It's healthy. This is everyday eating this everyday. With coffee. 1 cup of coffee, the best. And then that is the back, my husband. Making her own coffee.
Anna kommit hem.
Maybe. I don't know.
Nu ser fotspår i...
Fotspor. Yes. Itong breakfast ito, madaling kainin. So, daling maubos. And then, yung yung katawan, hindi mabigat. And then, hindi madaling magutom. Nilagyan ko siya ng kanting cinnamon powder. It's yummy. So, busy yung isa kong asawa. Nag siya prepare sa kanyang breakfast. That is done.
Nu kom hem. Har du fått mat eller något?
So, magpunta muna tayo ng grocery. Mag-shopping tayo ng wine for Christmas. Nag-snow siya kagabi. This is it. Yan. And then ito yung parking natin. Yan. That is my daughter. And here we are. So, mag-drive muna tayo, guys. And, so, malamig. It's so cold here. Yan na, guys. You that. Oh, it's a beautiful. This is a white Christmas this year. We're going to shopping mall and buy wine to use to make Christmas party. And I'm here is driving. Yes. And take a look there. Here the place. It's nice and beautiful. Tingnan niyo yung mga trees nag-ano na mga snow. Kaya this is the white Christmas. Nag-umpisa na yung traffic dahil yung open sa grocery is 10 o'clock and driving from home is 9:42. Ang bukas sa grocery is 10 o'clock. So that is it. And take a video for me na my hi. Pare. So I'm done done for shopping. So nakabili na kaming maraming anong klase-klaseng ibang bibili. Kunin ko ng video mamaya. And then drive home. And waiting ko lang sa daughter ko. Hi! So traffic ngayon guys, dahil pag late ka pumunta dito, lalo na pag December, napaka-traffic. Ngayon pumunta kami bago magbukas, so walang traffic. So this is it guys, mag-drive muna tayo home and then pakita ko sa inyo yung anong binili ko ngayon. Bye! So shopping pa more guys, grabe to baba, shopping. We're going to shopping and take a look today. So bumili yun si Janet may nahinga. I have that is blanket. Of course, take a look. Reindeer. And then mayroon tayong toilet. And then of course, mayroon tayong Tropica 6 on the beach. There are wine. And then mayroon tayong red wine. And more. Yes, what is this? Barbara, the red wine also in it. And then of course we have a Saks Fortils winter. And then I contact. I like this contact because we have this the body just trick the napkin. And then we have the two part this one of this my daughter Saksa and 2, 3 of course. And then mayroon tayo shopping pa more, that is I bought this one 5 pairs of this coach. This one, this is warm, especially in winter. Yeah, this is it. This is 5 pieces, this one. And then we have also 5 pieces, this one. And this is it. Much. I use a lot of money. And this is it. Of course, mayroon tayong shoot the puzzle. And then this is what I use. This is kitchen pot. It's a lot. And then bumili ako dito guys dahil mayroon akong contest sa Christmas. This is it. And now, on the other one, this is non-stop. Of course, no. This is it. It's more that is we ate this and little bit snacks bar, but in it is not eat all together. This paper, Christmas paper. Is it? And then of course I bought the one plastic head and shoulder shampoo, and then for shower, etc. Yes. And then I bought this table that is napkin. Of course, mayroong water. Yes, it's water. And then we have cotton, 2 pound cotton. And then of course, bumili din ako ng drinks. 2 drinks, and then yung and then 2 drinks. Yes, a lot of this. And then I bought 5 Colgate. That is a Colgate, guys. Colgate. I bought this 5 Colgate. And then I found here what is this? Candy. And then this is I using for my lips. We're going to lipstick, so that is brush. And then I found microphone, and then selfie stand, of course. And then That is my daughter. And there's that. And that. More Colgate. And this is it. Kusmasiday. Hi. Is chicken. That is
Leftover from beggars in the center.
Yeah. And this is it.